Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word grandeur. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The grandeur of the palace was overwhelming, with its towering columns and elaborate decorations. Grandeur refers to the impressive and magnificent quality of something, often associated with greatness, splendor, and richness in appearance or scale. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.